Good friend of mine invited me to come out on his boat today, so we're gonna go hang out. We were gonna maybe do some crabbing, but I'm not so sure that's gonna happen now. We are gonna go pass by some kind of little bar on the boat, hang out for a while there, maybe eat. It's gonna be a good time. What is that? Casita. I want that. Got the boat all hooked up. You can probably see it back there. There you go. On the way to boat launch. And yeah.
Bar you can only get to by boat.
This is Jason.
Hey, I'm Jason.
And we got a boat. All right, we're making a bar stop. What is this place called?
It's JB's Fuel Dock.
Do they actually sell fuel there?
That's not. Whenever I'm out here, I put extra gas in the boat just because it's easier than taking it to a gas station.
Nice. Say hi, Brad. Hey, Brad. Time to drink. All right, we're moving on to the beach.
Don't get too drunk. Don't lie. Who?
All right, so we've had some pizza, we've had a couple of beers, we've got some frozen drinks to take. Now we're going down a little further along the coast. There's this little beach. It's Pontchartrain Beach. Used to, way back in the day, have like a bunch of rides and stuff, roller coaster, and there's a little theme park there when we were growing up. Now that's all gone, but there is still a small beach there, and we're gonna go hang out for a little while, drink some of these frozen drinks, and yeah, hang out for a bit, catch some sun before it's
gone.
Yeah. We're at the beach. Right back here you can see, I mean, nobody's hanging out on it, but whatever.
They do sometimes.
You got lots of other boats that are just kind of anchored around it, just chilling.
It's time to go swimming. First foray into getting into the waters at Pontchartrain Beach. How's it feel? Feels good?
Short supply.
All he needs left is the old roller coaster that used to be right over there by the beach.
Old Man Star-Lord, right here.
It's hard to believe this is so close to the house, right?
Yeah.
Day. Very good day.
Good day. Good times on the boat. All right.
The only thing left to catch is the larger buzz.
Larger buzz. So, going to meet a buddy of mine to have a steak in the bar that we played at not long ago. Okay, what turned out to just be a steak dinner and a beer or two. Yeah, no, that's morphed into a here we go. Going to bar number 2, 3, 4. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it here. Just a short little video, good day, and just had a couple drinks, and it was a good time. So thanks for hanging out and watching, and I'll see you in the next one.